Hello my friends, I found this type of ratchet in old toolbox. It is the grey one there. It's a very old toolbox with old stuff in, and I looked this morning and I found this thing. It looks like a ratchet, some kind, but it moves in both directions, so obviously it's not good anymore. And there's a little gap, so I think I'm going to attempt to repair this thing. So let's try and open it and see how it looks inside. Okay, let's go and see how it looks inside. Okay guys, now you must look with me carefully. If it just open what is inside and how it fits together. It doesn't seem so easy. Let's try something. Bigger screwdriver or a better one. Okay guys, I had to take a bigger screwdriver and a hammer just to get it out of place. I see this circumference there is a little bit bigger than this one, so it came over that one, and let's open it. There's a spring at the back. So we will find out where this spring fits and how the whole thing works. Okay, I've got an idea. I think this is secure and then ratchet and secure and ratchet. So the spring will only fit in, I think, like that. And then something like that. Let me check it a little bit out. Okay, gents, I've sorted it out. This is the way that it needs to work. So if I just, you remember there was a little pin there. You will see it go in the spring. I think the spring only jump out of place. So when the spring is in place, I'll just hold it with my hand because I put the rivet in from the back side. So this will be ratchet and this is lock. Okay, so I know at least what is the problem, and I think my idea of what is going wrong is the whole plate was a little bit bent and skew. So I'm going to try and get it straight and put a new nice rivet in, because this one was loose. You remember there was a gap here. That's why the spring went out of place. And then we can put it back together nicely and clean it up, and then we have a nice tool. Okay, I took everything out, and there you can see what is the problem. This needs to be secured together, so let's go and clamp it in the vise. Okay guys, I've seen something. Can you see the teeth is fairly worn out on the one side, so it doesn't help. I put it back together as is, as what it was. So I'm going to turn it around. This was like this with the spring there, and this one was like this, and so I'm going to turn it around and turn this one around as well, and then it will work on the top teeth, on the top side of the teeth where it is still fresh. Sorry, I must be in that side. So it will work now in this direction. That will be trip and grab. Okay, so this is how I'm going to put it together. So with the spring in this side, and I'm going to use a rivet, so I will need all my hands now and don't waste your time. So let me just get the rivet through. Okay, I've got the rivet through. It is so delicate with this spring. Oops. Okay guys, I've got it together. There you can hear the click, and it's locked to the other side. Okay, so now I'm going to rivet it quickly. Okay guys, just for a demonstration, I've put a rivet in. So you want to tighten it, and then let me try the other way. You see? And now it turns the bolt in the vise grip. Okay, so it works fine. All I need to do now is, at the back here, there was a little bit of solder. It's all that keep the back part together, so I'm going to solder it quickly and let it shine up, and then I bring you back. Okay gents, it's fixed up. I put the rivet at the back as well. Isn't this beautiful, gentlemen? It looks brand new. I think this tool is too nice to use. I can as well put it in on a shelf somewhere with my antiques. Okay, thanks for joining me on this repair, and see you on the next one, gentlemen. Bye bye.